Hey everyone, doing LeetCode and Kotlin. Today we have question 17, letter combination of a phone number. Giving a string containing digits from 2 to 9 inclusive, return all possible letter combination that the number could represent. Return the answer in any order. A mapping of digit to letter just like on the telephone button is given below. Note that 1 does not map to any letter. So, just like a old usual phone number, you have 2 could represent ABC, 3 could represent DF, blah blah blah. And then if the digits are the character 2, 3, we have all the possible combinations from ABC to DF. And if the digits blank, return empty list. And if digits 2, return ABC. Okay, to start, I'm gonna need some type of map to map the numbers to their strings. So 2 should be mapped to ABC. We could do this a few different ways. One, to use the map and then put the number as a key, or we could use a list and then the index of it would represents the index of the list would represent the numbers. So when you 0 and 1, based on the constraint, the digits are actually in range of 2 to 9, so we actually don't need to worry about 0 and 1. But because of I'm using the map as the index, so when you put index of 2, I return ABC, index of 3, DF, index of 9, return WXYZ. So just writing a map, but a little bit quicker because we don't have to worry about the index or the key that's already done for us. Yep. So it's just to get us started, and then I'm also going to create a variable for my return list. So which should be empty list of string, and then going to return list at the end. Now we are going to solve this. So the way I'm thinking about it is that if we had the letter this was the digits 2 and 3, I was thinking we could um, solve this from backwards. So if we have 2, 2, 3, right, we can first create a list of 3, which is DF, and then we could loop through, and then when we go into 2, we could actually access of these and then add ABC to each one of them. So we could have AD, AE, AF, and then BD, BE, BF, and then CD, CE, CF, and then same thing for the next two. We access all this value. So we have AAD, AAE, and AAF, and then and then ABD, and so on, right? Until we reach CCF, yeah. And um, so that's my plan for it. And every time we have a new number, we have a new list, and then we just grab the whatever characters we have and then add it to the previous list and all of it. So yeah, so I'm gonna start from the end. So for I and digits that length minus 1 down to 0. So starting from the end all the way to 0. Um, I want to get the letters from the phone based on I want to get the letters based on the digit. So we would need to first digits of I. So where I is 3, so this would return me 3, but it's a string and I want to convert it to an int. So getting numeric, the default character get numeric value of this, so it's actually a char actually. So I'm getting the integer 3 by calling this function, and now I want to access it from my map or a list. So this should return me 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. This should return me df, or yeah, I equals 3, so letters equals df. Right, and then next um, I want to convert this to a char array. So letters dot to char array. So that way I could loop through each one and then add them. And then I'm going to actually flat map this, because as we go through each one, we're gonna have multiple map. Well, we're gonna have return back 3 lists for for A we have a list of A, D, A, E, A, F, and then for B we have a list of that. So I'm gonna flat map it and then combine all these into one list at the end. And for the initial check, I'm actually gonna keep this name. So my return list that is empty. When the list is empty, which should happen the first time, to actually just want to return uh list of char.toString. So this should return me BEF for the first case. And then for any other case going forward, I want to return back the previous list plus the character in front of it. So it should look something like char, and then so this would be the character we have, A, and then we would want to access the previous list, uh, all the values in the previous list. So we would want to do return list that map, and then this would be previous letters, right? And then return that. And then when we flat map it, we actually want to overwrite return list to it. So that way, when the first time it goes to return list would be DEF, because we return a list of DEF, but flat map it out so it's just one list. And the second time loop through, it looks into here, which we have DEF as the previous letters, and then we add since we loop through the char array, we add A to D, A to E, A to F, and then B. That would be the first list. First iteration would return A, D, A, E, A, F, and then the second iteration would return B, D, B, E, B, F, and then third iteration would return C, D, C, E, C, F, and then when we flat map it out, we get this as a result for this list. Okay, and yep, just going to leave that comment there and run this code, and we return the return list at the end, which should have this if we only have 2, 3. Submitting this. All right. Yep. Yeah, this is my take on letter combinations of a phone number. I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know if you uh, are stuck or have any questions about it. Thanks for watching.